Hello my beautiful people, good morning, good anytime you come across this video. It's me, Ijoro Video. What do you know about therapists? We don't know the reason of therapists. Most of us that come to this place, in back then they always use it as a parable. Travel is part of education. I don't know what kind of education we are now. I come across a lady on social media talking about therapists because she wrote something on her wall. I don't understand, and they think maybe a child is sick or whatever. Mommy, brother, you that say, he's taking that child to therapy. Do you know the meaning of therapists? Therapists work for people in many ways. There are so stressed you are, you can go and meet therapists, okay? Like me, Ijoro Video, I can't be afraid or ashamed by saying I'm going to therapist or I'm taking my children to therapist. Therapist does not mean for only mad people or whatever. This thing that called therapist is not only a child, or this is for general. Let me start. One, therapist, if you have problem in your relationship, therapist, you can involve therapist on it. You want to separate with your husband, therapist work. The other part, therapist is good for me. For me, I don't know, I didn't ask you guys to go, but don't be afraid or ashamed to say, I'm taking my child or I'm going to therapist. No, there is nothing to be ashamed of. There is nothing to be ashamed of. That's why our mentality is very short. Therapists work for these children. When a child was born differently. Guys, I have a son, that is quiet. Outside, inside, inside house, is they okay small. But outside, if me and my son dey waka, maybe I say something, he will ask me, Mama, Pal do small. That means, please lower your voice. Because I'm talking to him, he don't want other people to hear what I'm saying or what I'm trying to tell him. He don't like it at all. Do you think that child is what? Is sick? My son changed school. Do you know changing of school, my people, can affect some children? All children are not the same. Changing of school, have something to do with my son. When my son wants to go to primary school, we change apartment that moment, that period, September. When we change apartment, I don't read because he's someone who does it, he reserve words. He doesn't say too much. When he's talking, don't do your eye like this. No. If you try to make that word where that word won't tell you, you go cut and no go talk him again. Because he don't want to offend you, and he don't want you to say no to anything that he asks or he try to say. He don't want you to have thought on that thing that is trying to speak. I hope you guys understand it. That is kind of person he is. He don't want to do something that you will see fault, or he didn't do it well, or you start using eyes or whatever. Please, my brother, I believe this video will be long today. I could do it on live, but I'm not that strong on live. That's why I'm doing it. In case if there is something I don't like, I will just cut it, come out. In class, they always call me, your son don't play with people. I say, I will try to talk to her. I say, play with them. But because of the kind of person he is, he don't want to tell me, why, Mama, I want to go to my former school. That thing, that boy put on for his side in mind. I say, play with them. You don't see anyone you like, say, he will do like this. No, not yet. These white people, they always look. They will try to know if something is, if something they disturb the boy, or now family matter they oppress am or that kind of thing, they will try to evolve themselves into it. They call me, they say, your son don't play with people. Anytime some of them want to play with him, he drove them away or pushed them. And they send me to therapists. They say they want to know what is wrong with your son. I said, my son is perfect. Oh, me, he's not sick. You know, as a African woman, I said, my son is perfect. They say, no, we have to know if there is something wrong with your son. Why? And I take my son to therapist. And the woman check, ask my son question, this and this, and it's perfect. The first one is perfect. That is the place. That therapist is the place I know. Changing of apartment or area or whatever, really affect my son. I don't know. I know it in that therapist because I go with him. He said, why? The woman asked us what school my son was before, and I said to him, and that moment, and I realized, this thing. Okay. I say, I don't know. Changing of environment or school can affect some of children. He said, okay, do you have friend now? My son said he only have just one friend. Just one. I say, one? And wow. I was just looking at him. That day I was very bitter. That thing break my heart. I say, wow, if I didn't take my son to therapist in that question, all those things, I believe my son will not say it to me because we change apartment. When we, after that, we come home, I say, you know, we can't go back to the school you were before. It's far. We are here, and there is school close to us. This is the school you must go. It's not possible to go to other school. Depends of where you are. Like France, the area you are, if there is school there, that is the area you register to your son. Unless there is other thing else, maybe you want your son to go private or whatever, you can have choice. My son is not in private school, it's public school. I tried to put smile on him, and he said he have one son. And I will go back to school. I told the woman said, the therapist woman said it doesn't have problem. It's just changing environment. You know, I said something beginning of this video. I said my son don't like when I'm talking to him. Don't want outside, not inside. Outside, when we are outside, when I'm explaining something to him or I ask him questions, my son don't want people around us to hear what I'm saying to him or what him will reply me. He doesn't like it. He's somebody like that, okay? And that thing affects him as well. When my son is in maybe class, he know that thing, but he don't want to say it out because he always have a doubt, or is a doubt in English, doubt. He doesn't know if he say that word out, maybe people will laugh at him, or if he's right. He always, I don't know how to say this. I hope you guys understand me. My son doesn't want, he doesn't like whereby he says something, people will laugh. It's like he never make, he don't want to make a mistake, is a word. My son don't want to make any mistake. It affects him as well. Do you think that child have problem on his head or what? For me as a mother, I want my son to make a mistake. A mistake, well, it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything when a child of yours made a mistake. But my son is a natural. It's not maybe someone was beating him or was treating him bad. I'm a mother. I'm a strong woman. But I know where I'm from. When you have a mother, if like my mom, when you break a plate, hey, whoa, you will shout, I try to maybe be a good mother that is not that like African woman. But my son was born like fear, like He inherited that fear from my stomach before he came. I will continue this video because I don't want this video to be long that much, so that people may watch it. The second part, I will tell you the reason you can go to therapist. Don't look at people, don't listen to people. Therapist is not good. Therapist is good, but there is advantage. That will be the second part of this video. Please watch it. I hope you guys love it. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on my page. I hope you guys love me as I love you guys. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it.